as you should all know, I am a YouTube atheist, and I will admit to, and I will make a scientific test to prove creationism. The test is really simple, though I don't know if anybody else has done it before. Okay, I will admit to creationism being correct once Lord God Almighty puts into that cage right there a new species totally different from all the other species in existence that we know of. Like that. This would not be a valid thing, because that means a cat would have just been able to walk in. And so once a totally new species goes into that cage, I will admit to creationism. This will be a really long study, and just so the new species doesn't run out, I've locked the cage and it's going to stay locked. And so once an animal gets in there that couldn't have possibly just moved through the holes, I will update everybody and say that we've all been wrong and creationism is actually true. So, until then, I'm probably not going to.